Lesson 7. Person, people. What's the plural of person?
The plural of person is people.
How many people are there in this room?
There are 5 people in this room.
How many people are there in this town?
There are 150,000 people in this town.
Coming from. What am I doing?
You're coming from the door.
Am I coming from the window?
No, you aren't coming from the window. You're going to the window.
Am I going to the window?
No, you aren't going to the window. You're coming from the window.
Touch. What am I doing?
You're touching the wall.
What am I doing?
You're touching the picture.
Touch your tie, please. What's he doing?
He's touching his tie, etc.
Sentence. What's this?
It's a sentence.
Word. Verb. Use. For. Action. What's this?
It's a word.
How many words are there in this sentence?
There are 7 words in this sentence.
Which is the first word of this sentence?
Verbs is the first word of this sentence.
Which is the third word of this sentence?
Words is the third word of this sentence.
Which is the fifth word of this sentence?
Use is the 5th word of this sentence.
Which is the sixth word?
For is the 6th word of this sentence.
Which is the last word?
Actions is the last word of this sentence.
Question mark. Full stop. Comma. Colon. Semicolon. What's this?
It's a question mark.
What's this?
It's a full stop.
What's this?
It's a comma.
What's this?
It's a colon.
What's this?
It's a semicolon.
Umbrella. What word's this?
It's the word umbrella.
Is there an umbrella on the table?
No, there isn't an umbrella on the table.
Pronounce. Pronounce this word, please.
What?
What's he doing?
He's pronouncing the word what.
Pronounce this word, please.
Colour.
What's she doing?
She's pronouncing the word colour.
An. The. Pronounce these words, please.
A book. An umbrella. The book. The umbrella.
Body. What's this?
This is the body.
Is this her body?
No, it isn't her body. It's your body.
Part. Foot. Feet. What part of the body is this?
This part of the body is the foot.
What's the plural of foot?
The plural of foot is feet.
Leg. Back. Arm. Wrist. Hand. Finger. Thumb. What's this?
It's a leg. The back. An arm. A wrist, etc.
Right. Wrong. 2 plus 2 equals 7. Is that right?
No, it isn't right, it's wrong.
The wall's high. Is that wrong?
No, it isn't wrong, it's right.
Is it right you're Mr. Brown?
No, it isn't right I'm Mr. Brown, it's wrong. I'm Liz.